So
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So let's start with Uber.
Yeah. Okay. I got this from a I get like 1,000 emails now a week. So I got this.
Hmm.
I was like, this is so bullshit. This is fake. The guy goes, no, bro, this just showed up in my app. I'm like, it looks like the Uber app. And I'm like, holy crap, is this new? I don't know anything about this, by the way. I got this from a driver, no name, obviously, but I think I'm pretty sure these are legit. And he said it just popped up in his app. So, Lyft also is going this way, right? Now there's a driving score for a driver, which consists of many, many, many things. So they can deactivate you easier, probably, because before it was just a rating. If you fell like below 460, then it'll be like, you get deactivated. But now, no, they have many excuses to deactivate you now. Look at these things. Look at this is 2 pages of shit that they're collecting on you.
Oh yeah.
There's a dashboard now that you can go and look at your score. So what trips will dashboard show? You'll see trips where you were driving for over the speed limit for a significant distance. I'm like, yeah, but the asshole in my back seat is yelling at me, get me to LAX, bro. Okay. So, there goes my driving career. It goes, can riders, customers, or other drivers see this information? No. Really? Okay. Yeah. I that's a lie. Can law enforcement access this data? Look where we're taking this, Chris. I'm like, holy shit.
Yeah.
And then can I turn the dashboard off? No. We're not employees, by the way. We're independent contractors, people. Check this out. Riders, customers, and other drivers can't see the data, but Uber does. Uber's algorithm does, and if it falls below a certain number, boom, you're gone. And do you share this data? No. Can I turn the dashboard off? This feature is completely optional. But next sentence, you can't turn it off. It's optional, but you can't turn it off. Who writes this shit?
So in other words, you're going to still be alerted, but you can choose to ignore it, basically.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, sure. Yeah. And then it goes, how can the dashboard help me? How's data collected? Every trip they collect data on you. All that good stuff. I'm going like, wait a minute. This is a little too much intrusion. I'm not your employee, sir. You do this to your employees. You see these trucks in front of you. It says, how am I driving? If you don't like it, call 1-800 whatever. This is like that. I'm like, what the hell is going on, man? So of course, on this one, I think Uber is copying Lyft, because Lyft had this, I went through, right here. I went through my, cancellation rehab school, and this is what Lyft is doing too now. I'm going like, I have 82%, looking good. Okay, thank God. Understanding your score. Your driving score is based on your last 100 trips. It takes into account your cancellation rate, ratings, passenger feedback, safety, and service. Look at this shit. I am not your employee, man.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot say this to your employee. They will sue your ass. So my cancellation rate is 2%, which is okay, because, I went to cancellation rehab school.
It's less than 5, so it's okay.
Yeah. My rating is 490. Look at the threshold for your rating. It has to be like 490 is your goal, bro. Safety flags, I have none, thank God. Now, I did not know this until I took these screenshots. I have 4 safety flags from which asshole passenger? I want to know. I don't know. What is even a safe service flag? Is it like, I didn't open their door? Is that what it is? I don't even know.
I don't know. It's because you didn't wipe hard enough or soft enough
no foot massage
after kissing their ass.
Yeah, no foot massage. Bullshit. Yeah. Anyway, so driving score is a new rating system. Look at these two. That gives you overall understanding of your driving performance to help you take it to the next level. Driving score goes beyond passenger rating. This is becoming like, banks don't look at just your FICO score anymore. They look at like an aggregate of all kinds of shit now. AI is also involved in lending and stuff. I'm going like, if this is not treating me, now I'm actually going like agreeing with the Department of Labor. You can't do this to me, bro. I'm an independent contractor, man. I'm not your employee. You can if you hire me as an employee, give me minimum wage, give me insurance, give me all the protection. Then you go, you know what? You can't drive this fast. You have these flags, blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's it. This looks to me like it's giving him more ammunition to deactivate drivers easily, because before they would deactivate you for a couple things. Now they have like 5-6 different things in here that they can deactivate you for, and you won't even know why. So I'm going like, yeah, Norma, not on mine, Norma. Hello. How about the Uber one? Okay, there you go. So I'm like baffled, man. So anyway, do you have this, Chris?
I have something similar to this, but it's not. It doesn't have the whole thing. I did see something with the driving score though, but I didn't pay attention to it because it's like I know how I drive. I don't really need them to tell me how to drive. So there's that issue there. But yeah, I should actually look at that a little bit more next time.
Yeah, you should look. I'm falling into the warning area there. I'm 82%. It must be those 4 service flags. Those
I don't know, maybe. I mean, doesn't the 4.95 rating like boost you up higher?
Yeah, doesn't mean anything, I guess. And look at all my medals though they put there. 145 passengers said good driving. 139 said friendly driver. 130 said clean car. 90 said above and beyond. But my driving score is only 82%.
Yeah, how does that make sense?
I have no fucking idea. I don't even know what they're doing.
Yeah. So here's the thing. The question then becomes is, this is what they're telling you that they've collected. And it's still very vague at the points, like the service flags. What the hell even is a service flag?
What is it? I don't know. I'm going to call them.
So, yeah, and that's the whole thing. Like, what is this? Because you didn't offer them water? I mean,
I have no idea.
But
I don't know.
This is what they're telling you that they're scoring you on. What they don't tell you is what they're scoring you on that you don't know, which influences how much you're able to make on the algorithm or not. And if you don't think that's happening, I can guarantee you it is happening.
Oh, it's happening, people. This is in the app, man. I'm not going to make this shit up. I don't have time for this shit. Look at this shit. It says I have to be less than 6 on service flags. Okay, what is a service flag? It doesn't tell me, but it says I have 4. I'm like, I don't know.
And it's based on your last 100 rides. So you know what?
It must have been in those 22.
Well, it's probably those jackass riders who just score you low and then just hit whatever it is on the first thing right there.
Yeah.
Look at your last comment with service flag. Hold on.
Okay,
I gotta go back up and look.
My service flag back months ago was mainly because I used to keep the windows locked.
Oh,
that's a service flag?
It's a service flag. Well, I don't want people going up. You know, there's a video that I had posted on my other channel. And it's a dash cam video where there was a couple that got in my car and the guy was drunk and she was fed up with him. And it was like, if they're in a relationship and this is like their normal relationship, they should really get out of it because it was that bad. But the guy was acting so insanely ridiculous. He started trying to lower and raise the windows on my car. And I'm like, I'm not having that. So I just locked the thing. And he's like, oh, look at that. We got in trouble. He locked the car. And the girl was like so pissed off at him. Like
he was acting like a child. That's why you fucking put the child lock on.
Yeah,
what an idiot.
Exactly.
What a goddamn idiot, bro. Look at this shit. I have 4 service flags.
No, I want I want the windows down. It's nice out. I'm going to enjoy some fresh air while I can.
No, I honestly, this is all like new shit. So people, don't call yourselves independent contractors. Big Brother is watching 24 hours a day. So there you go. There's your independence right here.
And it will absolutely impact the algorithm.
No, bro. The independence? My ass. What kind of independence is this? Look at this. This looks like a math problem with the, with the goals and you and this and that. Bro, I'm just driving point A to B. Give me my money. Shut up.
Well, anyway. Yeah, but not only they're taking like a few things and mixing it in together. So it's like, you want to have that at 100%. No, I don't really care if it's at 100%. I don't care if I hit gold or not on Lyft because you don't offer me anything that I want to actually hit gold for.
So anyway, this is
like every one of these like rewards to me, I don't give a frigging shit about it. I really don't.
I don't either. But my thing is, Now, honestly, I thought about this. I mean, I put at least 5 minutes of thought into this before I put this up as a subject, because we had the IC versus employee debate, right? If this is not treating me like an employee, I don't know what is.
Oh, 100%. It's that guiding hand again.
Yeah.
The control that's over you. And then it's, we talked about this, 2 months ago with the gamification of Uber and Lyft. Like, that's exactly what that is. They're putting it into this game where they're making it look like this graph that you could fill it up to 100%. You got to do it so you can hit gold at 80%, and don't get deactivated for whatever. But then, this is something I hope the FTC looks into when they're doing their investigations. Like, do these score systems truly impact you? Because if they do, and they say, hey, look, you can't do something like that, then hopefully maybe those scoring systems can actually change. But how far are they going to actually go into it?
But if you're going to put 4 service flags there as warnings, you should tell me what I did wrong.
Oh yeah,
for
sure. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.